Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, Topak on Food Travels. Today, we're going to unboxing my new phone, which is the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this one guys, and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the color is purple. And yung memory nito is only 256. Okay, let's open. Paano ba magbukas? Share ko lang. Just unboxing. Yan. Yung seal, tinatanggal ko lang guys. You really need to remove the seal. And there you are. Oh, nice. Ito na siya. Oh. Purple color. There you are. Oh, nice. Ayan. And meron siyang cover. Kailangan natin tanggalin. There you are. Diba? Halatang halata yung stand ko. Ito open. Ayan, nagbukas na siya. Bit natin ng konti. Yun. Oh, hello. And with a Chinese word. Hintayin muna natin. Siyempre kasama din yung cord niya. Ito yung cord ng iPhone. Yung saksakan. At siyempre, yan yung pin. Pangtanggal dun sa SIM card. At saka yung mga kailangang instruction to follow. I think this is also. Yan. Swipe up to open English. And must be America English tayo guys. Mamimili ka ng kung anong words na pwede mong pagsalitain dyan, kung anong dialect ang gusto mo. Siyempre sa Amerika tayo. And syempre, set natin yung set manually yung language natin. Preferred language, syempre, English. Yes, English. Continue. And syempre, kailangan na natin mag-connect dun sa Wi-Fi kung ano yung connection natin dito. Wait lang. Connect ko lang yung sa Wi-Fi. At connected na nga siya guys. It may take few minutes to active your iPhone. Okay. Next, tagal. Kailangan mo munang i-active yung iPhone mo guys. You need to wait for a while. Yan yung face ID. Kailangan nilang makita. Get started na tayo. Position your face with the frame. Okay, move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay, ayun. Tapos na. Use Face ID with mouse. Don't use Face ID with mask. Don't use. Okay, Face ID is now set up. Continue. create. Okay. Here, ayan, hingin tayo ng password. Ayan, pwede natin i-restore yung cloud backup natin, or move data from Android. Pwede mo siyang i-transfer. Yung restore from iCloud, restore from Mac, pwede. Restore from Android. Ayan, move to Android. Ayan. Move data from Android, pwede. Okay, from my backup iCloud. And then, kailangan natin ilagay yung Apple iCloud ko. Okay, by the way, guys, the next process is we're going to transfer all your details from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. They're going to ask your Apple ID, and also with your password. Ayan, syempre, I proceed already at ito na yung next. And they're going to send by email and makakakuha ka ng verification na ikaw nga yun talaga. And hintay lang natin ng few minutes at maililipat na siya dito. Okay, after few minutes, ayan, choose a backup. Kasi mayroon akong iPhone 7 guys. Meron akong iPhone 7 at saka iPhone 12 Promax. At syempre ipipress ko yung latest ko, which is yung Promax. Ayan. Then mag-continue lang kayo. Ayan. And transfer from nearby iPhone user. Okay, set up mobile service. Pwede mo nang i-transfer. Ayan. Or pwede naman yung use QR code. Set up later. Sige, set up ko na lang mamaya to later. And skip eSIM setup. You can set up eSIM later, mobile data. Okay. And in-skip ko muna kasi wala pa siyang SIM card. Nandyan pa lang. Add credit, kasi nagtatanong sila for pay for Apple. Siyempre, set up later din. I will set up. Kasi tinatanong nila yung card ko. Improve Siri and dictation. Share audio recording. This data not associated with your Apple ID and will only be stored for limited period. Ayan. Wait lang. Okay, iPhone Analytics. Syempre, we going to share with Apple, guys. Ayan, and then for Apple Analytics, share with Apple developers. Kasi it's nice kasi there's an emergency SOS, which is press the hold for emergency SOS if in case of emergency, guys. Crash detection if in case something happen for vehicular accident, madidetect siya kaagad for serious car accident. Ayan. And then coming autumn 2022 emergency via satellite, malalaman din natin kaagad, makaka-receive tayo. Kaya mas magandang, better to be updated. Kaya continue lang tayo. And that is my restore from iCloud na. Nagre-restore na siya, and just wait for a minute, maybe few minutes, and then after that, makikita din natin. Okay? Few moments, guys, few minutes, ayan, pwede na natin siyang i-set up. Kaya lang, kailangan niya yung SIM card para ma-update natin lahat. You're currently using Albert iPhone to share location and find use. Ayan. Set up. Ayan. Naka-set up na po tayo. Ayan. At saka kailangan kong i-okay dito sa phone ko. Okay. Apple ID is now being used for message or new iPhone. Okay. Ayan. Pine-verify ko din po dito sa phone ko. At syempre tatanggalin ko. I'm going to remove my SIM card. my SG number at ililipat ko siya dito. Ayan, I need to transfer para maset na mabuti. Okay. Ayan na. Para maset up na mabuti. Ayan, set up na siya. Not now. Set up. Settings. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, ito na yung number natin. Either the Filipino number, and yun yung number ko. Ayan yung phone ko. Okay. And there you are, guys. Naset ko na siya. At nandito na lahat ng files ko and photos. By the way, ayan. Pati yung storage ko. Na full na siya kasi pati sa iPhone 7 at saka iPhone 12 na transfer. I thought yung iPhone 12 lang yung na transfer, kaya mamaya siguro maglilipat ako ng iba. Pati dun sa album and all videos. Okay. Ayan. Good. Actually dito makikita mo lahat ng notifications sa taas. At so far mas photographic style. Ayan, may mga set up later. Ayan yung camera niya, guys. Mas clear siya. Mas sharp yung kanya, mas sharp yung camera, and then yung maganda hanggang yung sa layo at lapit nung ititake mo ng video. Ayan, nakita niyo yung armpit ko, guys. Kaya niyang i-zoom nang i-zoom. Ayan. Kita yung nunal ko. Diba? Yun yung magandang kwan niya. Pwede mo siyang i-zoom into 3. Ayan, Ayan. Hanggang 3. Diba? Ayan. Pwede yung hanggang 0.5 din. Ayan. May cinematic siya. Slow-mo, same. Photo, at saka mas manipis siya kaysa sa iPhone 12. Okay? Mas manipis siya kaysa sa iPhone 12. At medyo magaan din naman. Medyo mas magaan ng konti sa iPhone 12. Ayan. Kasi yung iPhone 12 ginagamit ko siya. I'm using right now my iPhone 12. Taking video. At saka lahat na ilipat na. Ayan. Ganun lang, guys. Na-set up na, and we try to take a photo. At dito, guys, dahil sa pagiging mukha niya, tingnan niyo. Yung kuha sobrang clear. At bawat pores mo ata makikita. Ayan. It will be very natural photo. Pati yung skin mo makikita. Totally. You can zoom. At walang halong fake photos and edited. See? Even your pores can see naturally. Ayan. Sorry, I never take a bath yet. Okay. And there you are. Hope you like it. My unboxing for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Talk on food travels. Woot 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 woot.